Reasoning. It's the engine of our intellect, the compass guiding us through the vast landscapes of knowledge and experience. From the simplest everyday choices to the most complex scientific breakthroughs, reasoning is the driving force. It's about connecting the dots, seeing patterns, and drawing conclusions based on evidence and logic. Think of the universe as a grand, intricate puzzle. Reasoning is the toolkit we use to assemble the pieces, understand their relationships, and ultimately reveal the bigger picture. It's a skill vital not just for academics and intellectuals, but for everyone. In our personal lives, reasoning empowers us to make sound decisions, solve problems effectively, and navigate the complexities of human relationships. It helps us discern truth from falsehood, make sense of conflicting information, and arrive at judgments that align with our values. Professionally, reasoning skills are paramount. In a world saturated with information and driven by rapid technological advancements, the ability to think critically and analytically is more valuable than ever. Whether you're a doctor diagnosing a patient, a lawyer constructing an argument, or an entrepreneur evaluating a business opportunity, strong reasoning skills are essential for success. Reasoning is more than just a mental exercise, it's a fundamental aspect of what makes us human. It's the force that allows us to explore the unknown, challenge assumptions, and push the boundaries of our understanding. By honing our reasoning skills, we unlock our full potential as individuals and as a species. Let's begin our journey through the cosmos of logic with deduction, the most rigorous form of reasoning. Picture it as a top-down approach, starting with established general principles and using them to reach specific conclusions. Think of it like a classic syllogism: all men are mortal. Socrates is a man, therefore Socrates is mortal. We begin with a universal truth: all men are mortal, apply it to a specific case, Socrates, and arrive at an undeniable conclusion. Deductive reasoning is the cornerstone of many fields, particularly in mathematics and logic itself. It's how we build complex systems of knowledge, ensuring that each step in our reasoning is firmly grounded in established truths. But deduction isn't limited to the realm of abstract concepts. It plays a crucial role in everyday life as well. Imagine you're driving and see a sign that reads, "Bridge out ahead." You know that driving over a collapsed bridge is dangerous. Therefore, you deduce that you should find an alternate route. Deductive reasoning allows us to navigate the world with confidence, making logical connections between cause and effect and using our knowledge to make informed decisions. Now, let's shift our focus to induction, a form of reasoning that takes us on a journey from specific observations to broader generalizations. It's like piecing together a puzzle, starting with individual pieces and gradually revealing the complete image. Imagine you're a scientist observing the behavior of a particular species of bird. You notice that every time a predator approaches, the birds emit a specific alarm call. After repeated observations, you might induce that this particular call serves as a warning signal within the bird community. Inductive reasoning is the engine of scientific discovery, allowing us to formulate hypotheses, design experiments, and draw conclusions based on empirical evidence. It's how we uncover the laws of nature, one observation at a time. But induction isn't limited to the scientific realm. We use it constantly in our daily lives to make sense of the world around us. If you notice that traffic is heavier during rush hour, you might induce that it's best to avoid driving during those times. Inductive reasoning helps us identify patterns, make predictions, and adapt our behavior based on experience. It's a powerful tool for navigating the uncertainties of life. Our exploration of reasoning wouldn't be complete without venturing into the realm of abduction, the most intuitive and creative form of logical thinking. Unlike deduction and induction, which rely on established rules or observed patterns, abduction embraces the unknown, encouraging us to make bold leaps of imagination. Think of Sherlock Holmes, the quintessential master of abductive reasoning. He doesn't simply observe clues, he weaves them into a tapestry of possibilities, using his intuition and knowledge to construct the most plausible explanation for a crime. Abduction is about finding the best explanation for a set of observations, even when that explanation might not be immediately obvious. It's about connecting the dots, even when some of the dots are missing. In science, abduction often sparks groundbreaking discoveries. It's the driving force behind many scientific revolutions, challenging established paradigms and leading to new frontiers of knowledge. But abduction isn't limited to scientific breakthroughs or detective work. We use it constantly in our lives, from diagnosing the source of a strange noise in our car to understanding the motivations behind a friend's actions. Abductive reasoning allows us to navigate ambiguity, embrace uncertainty, and generate creative solutions to complex problems. It's the spark of intuition, the leap of faith that allows us to see beyond the obvious and unlock new realms of possibility.